Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cheesecake base. This easy method ensures a perfect foundation for your delicious dessert. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need graham crackers, melted butter, and a touch of sugar. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This base is versatile for many cheesecake recipes. Now let's get those graham crackers ready. The easiest way is to use a food processor. Just pulse them until they form fine crumbs. If you don't have one, no problem. Place the crackers in a Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin. The goal is consistent, fine crumbs, which will give your base the best texture. Once your crumbs are ready, transfer them to a bowl. Add about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and mix well. Then, pour in 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Stir until the crumbs are evenly moistened. Now, press this mixture firmly into the bottom of your 9-inch springform pan. Use the back of a spoon or your fingers for an even layer. After pressing, bake your crust at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. This helps set the base and prevents it from becoming soggy. Once baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack before adding your cheesecake filling. A properly cooled base is key for a perfect cheesecake. For more kitchen tips and great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.